Everyone, Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. Going to talk about my latest rental property purchase here soon, rental property number 22. Right now I am showing you the college. That's the University of Northern Colorado right there. Very busy road, which can be bad or good. Good if you have a commercial property, which this is. I'm showing you that dilapidated building there because they're doing a huge redevelopment of that property. It's going to be turning into 80 apartments, retail, a food truck park, and all kinds of other stuff. And they're doing another development about a block that way by the same company with more apartments, retail, and other cool stuff going on. This road right here, as you can see, is one of the main thoroughfares. I'm in Greeley, Colorado. This is 8th Avenue. And the building I bought is right there that says Cisneros. So we'll walk over there and I'll show you that property. This is obviously, this was a restaurant. Bought it for $115,000. Came with lots of kitchen equipment, which I don't know if it's any good or not, but that helps make the deal go through. And the unique thing about this property, it is right by a ditch, but this building is basically as big as the lot. So it's 1,100 square feet, I think. And I can actually walk around the side here a little bit. The lot, right there, that's one of the markers. And if we go back here, the lot goes to a point right here, angles back that way, and cuts across right behind the property. The lot is 1,250 square feet. So it's a tiny lot, but great location. This part is actually not even on the lot, but it's here anyway. The downside, obviously, the building will need some repairs. Was built in the 50s. It's been a Mexican restaurant that entire time. Alberto's, I believe, was the first one to be here. And then Cisneros has been there the last 30 years. And the guy who owned it actually passed away, so that's why they ended up selling it. And we even have someone who's interested in it already, a hot dog vendor. We'll see if that goes through or not. But hoping to rent it for $1,500 or so. Not really sure, it's my first time renting a restaurant. But we can show you. The lights are not, or maybe, oh, I think they're back on again. They just shut off, but they might be back on. So again, not gigantic, but great for a small little, Mexican restaurant as it was, hot dog stand, maybe a pizza place. Doesn't have a lot of diners. And it's right next to the college, right next to these huge developments going in. So I don't think we should have any problem renting it. Like I said, we own a building with a restaurant in it now, but that restaurant was there when we bought that building. So I've never been through actually leasing a place to a restaurant. Yeah, the lights are not on, but you can see a little bit. All this kitchen equipment was included. We paid $5,000 extra for it. I have no idea what it's worth, but I know kitchen equipment is extremely expensive, and it also helped the deal go through because the owners did not want to keep it. And this house came on the market on the MLS for $110,000. I made an offer the same day. It's a walk-in freezer for $110,000 with no inspection. And I didn't even have a chance to look at the property. I was too busy that day, but I knew this location was good enough to make that offer. So we ended up getting it after paying $115,000 after adding in the kitchen equipment. And Nikki and Eric, one of our contractors, are back there talking about it because he knows the hot dog guy who might want to lease it, so. All right, they like to hide. They don't like being on camera. This is like the outside patio area. I told them you're hiding, so. So I don't know how they used this before, but there's no door to come through here. But I think it'd be a great, you know, patio area if you took off all this stuff, opened it up. It'd be really cool. So that's the property. Not much to show on this one. Tiny lot, not very big, but that also keeps your costs down for rehabbing. Huge development things going on right over there. Also, right down there, and you can see him, that lot. Oh, there's an excavator right there working down there. I don't know if you can see it all the way. So we'll get to work on it, fix it up a little bit, talk to the hot dog guy, see what he thinks he wants done. And it's always interesting with commercial because you don't want to make it super nice, super perfect, because the tenant might come in and change everything. They want it to be done differently. And it's also interesting how you split up the costs with tenants versus the landlord. It's all negotiable, it's all different on each lease. So we'll have to see how that goes as well too. I will try and do some updates on this one, let you know how it goes, if we get it rented, what it looks like after it's fixed up, and hopefully that'll help everybody out more. We'll definitely have to get an electrician to come check out this place because it's got some funky wiring going on. And from there. All right, thanks for watching. Check out investormore.com if you want more information on my rentals, flipping, being an agent. Have tons of articles on there, tons of resources. I get questions all the time from people. And if you want to search on Invest for More, a lot of times those articles are already there and ready for you. All right, thanks a lot. We'll have some more videos coming soon.